Once they log into CHILI GraFx, environment admins will be able to access the environment or environments they've been assigned. They can access their environment settings, such as integrations and connectors. They can also go to user management, invite users, and assign end users and environment admin roles to users within their environment. Lastly, they can go into their environment, access GraFx Fonts to upload and manage fonts, and access GraFx Media to upload and manage media. They'll also be able to view all templates created, manage output settings and user interfaces, and create collections. However, environment admins won't be able to either create or open a template. To do so, they will require a template designer seat. Please note, since all users keep their end user role by default, environment admins will also be able to access My Projects and interact with templates.